Spring!
Hey! Nana, you okay? Nana, you okay?
Fly FM.
Hi, good morning, Fly Day. Fly FM Sabtu Gibo. Every Fly Day, we check in with Hafiz here to see if he has lost any weight.
I was at 84.5, I think, right? Last week. So we got Nana Haleq with us. She is staring at the weighing scale.
Step on the scale, please.
Okay, stepping on the scale.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Hafiz, why you increase weight?
Oh.
Why am I at 85.5?
Hafiz, what was your weight
Someone
previously?
is not dieting.
Now it's 84.5.
Wait, I don't understand what's
Okay,
going
wait,
on.
hold
Stand straight.
Stand straight. Stand.
So, you didn't lose any weight, but you didn't gain any weight.
Yeah. That means I'm still at my current weight, right?
So you do not lose or
Gain.
any weight.
Nana's gonna show us some moves and what we can do to lose more weight, right?
Yes. Okay, we're gonna do some simple drills.
Okay.
You know, that can make him sweat and work the legs and the core and everything.
Okay,
Kalau tak
ultimately
kurus, aku tak tahu.
akan lose weight lah.
Can.
After this workout.
No. After this workout, he's gonna feel tired. But I need him to diet. D-I-E-T, diet.
Oh, D-I-E. Die.
Diet. First exercise, we're gonna do some star jump. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 50.
Okay, now we're gonna do lunge.
Oh my god.
Hold. Okay, go. Pause. Yeah. Go. So the pressure doesn't come from here, it's here.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. A bit more. Okay, body upright. Okay, from here. Pushing. I need you to sprint.
What?
Sprint!
Nana, are you okay? Nana, are you okay? Are you okay? How did you fall?
Okay. After that funny sprinting, you were supposed to do plank.
Planking.
Okay, plank for 30 seconds. You just hold for 30 seconds.
1, 2,
Faster.
4, 5, 6, 28, 29, 30.
Woohoo! And then you're gonna do lompat again and then another 2 rounds.
1, 2, 3, 13, 14, 15.
Okay, ready to lunge?
Lunging.
What do? Hey, hands off lah. Okay, walk. Okay.
What did you run first? Yes.
Are you ready?
Planking.
Hafiz! 1, 2, 3, last movement.
4,
5. Gila lah.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15.
Okay, let's go. Ready? Come on. 1, 2, 3. Last one. Okay. Larat tak?
Easy.
Maybe we can work out more.
Go on, Sina.
For the next
This girl's
drill,
crazy. She's crazy.
the back row, your knee shouldn't pass your torso. Shouldn't pass your belly button.
Okay. Bawah.
Okay? So meaning your shoulder and also your wrist
Okay.
line. Here, raise the core, and then you move. 1, here. So back row.
Oh, it's
So you're using your core. So your knee shouldn't pass your belly button. Back flat. Okay, keep going. Yes!
Mommy, I'm crawling! Yellow line. I'm coming.
Okay, from here, high plank, leg flat, 2 squats. So when you land, you don't land on the toes, you land on the heels. So
Yeah, makes it even easier.
you see? Yeah, got it! Woohoo!
Hi! Die!
Okay, we walk back. I'm gonna watch the back row. Use your core. Use your car! Good.
Look at all my sweat. Look at all my sweat. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
All right. Right.
You can do it. You can do it. Okay, last one. Last one. After this, if it's not perfect rep, I'm not gonna count.
Right.
Okay.
A very big thank you to the one and only Nana Al Haleq.
I'm so happy today because we conquer our workout with blood,
Because your show is bloody.
sweat, and tears.
That's right. Cheers.
My tears.
Best of luck. Make sure, Gibo, can you make sure that he do all these
Oh
things?
yeah, I will.
Like at least 2 to 3 times a week.
2 to 3 times.
Yeah, 2 to 3
You hear that?
times.
Alright, that's all the time we have with Nana Al Haleq. Thank you, Nana.
Thank you,
can
Hafiz.
go torture other people now.
Yes. Everyone, show me.
Oh my god, look at that.
Fly FM, today's hottest music.